Good morning, YouTube. So, if you follow my Instagram, you've seen I've gotten some packages over the last week. Well, it's time to make this thing sit high and wide. Guys, I have the HRG Engineering. For those of you that don't know, that is Honda Rescue Garage 3-inch lift kit. Got the Lifted Honda Society decal here to go on the car. And for those of you that do know, I have Jeep wheels. If you follow my Instagram, you would have seen where I was doing some sanding and primer work to them the other day. They have 31 by 10.5 inch tires on them that are going to be going on here. But to make them fit, we had to order. These are by 60 Auto, and I have all 4 of them, so they'll be all the way around. Let's see if I can get inside the box here. 2-inch wheel spacers, bolt-on wheel spacers, and I have the hub-centric rings. So if I don't want to hear that crap about, they're not going to be centered, this, that, and the other. No, I bought hub-centric rings to go in them. But guys, I've already got this corner bolted up, or lifted up off the ground. I'm going to go ahead and drop this strut and see if I can get this on, and I'll check back in with you in a minute. Be right back. Alright guys, so that clip that you just saw was on Thursday. I don't even know if this is recording. Yes, it's recording. Sorry about that. Yeah, the clip that you just saw was on Thursday. I had to stop because it started pouring down rain, and it is now Saturday. As you can see, we finally have clear skies. It has been storming for 2 freaking days here in the Carolinas. Actually, a lot of the south. So if you're in the south, you know what I'm talking about. But, yeah, as you can see, I got the big boys in the back. All 4. I am currently on my way to my dad's shop. I also, when I was trying to take the strut off of the strut forks, the bolt to the lower control arm, the head of the bolt wrung off, snapped right off. So we're gonna have to drill that out and find a new bolt to fit in there, to hold my strut to the strut forks. And luckily, if there's a tool that you can't find in my dad's shop, then he doesn't have it. I mean, it's pretty much got every fucking thing. Excuse the language. If you can't find it in my dad's shop, you're in the wrong shop. I'll put it that way. So, I'm headed there now. We're probably gonna get some breakfast, get the wood stove going, because there's no heat in it, except for the wood fire stove. Put this thing up on the lift and get to work, guys. Hopefully we can get this lift kit and the wheel spacers with the 31s on today. So I'm going to warp speed to my dad's, and I will be right back. Sit still. What is up, guys? So I was filming earlier, but apparently I forgot to hit the record button. So a little update. Got the wheel spacers on all the way around. Took the fenders out on the front. All 4 kits, all 4 lift spacers are on the car. Let's go up here and I'll show you the front. 1.5 inches in the front, 2.5 in the rear. This thing is massively tall with them 31s. We've already test fit it and set it on the ground to see where we have to cut, but we're just taking and unbolting here, and then we're gonna cut all this and then the metal behind it. But if you can't tell, right here, swollen 2-foot pry bar. It didn't like me today. So we're gonna do a little bit more work. I'll catch back in with you guys in a second. What is up? Alright, so we're back. And it's finished. I'm sorry I didn't get any more. But you guys, the Honda is sitting high and wide. Of course, we had to modify the fenders. We got to come back and do the rears. We was running out of time for today. But guys, this thing is fucking gnarly. HRG, Honda Rescue Garage. Shout out to you, Ben Huffman and the Honda Rescue Garage for this lift kit. No, they did not sponsor me. I paid for it with my own money. Lifted Honda Society. Guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I got about an hour drive back home from my dad's house. It's dark and I've got to pay attention to how everything is gonna ride on these new tires and suspension. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you are looking for a lift kit for your Hondas, check out HondaRescueGarage.com for all your lift needs. Till next time, peace.